Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by stabilizing the bike and testing a solvent on an inconspicuous spot. This confirms the paint won't soften. Once done, wipe the area with isopropyl to remove surface dirt so the solvent contacts adhesive directly. Apply citrus solvent sparingly and let it dwell 30–90 seconds. The why is simple. Time lets the solvent penetrate the adhesive matrix. Make sure to keep a plastic scraper ready to lift softened edges rather than forcing or scratching the paint. You continue by carefully lifting the sticker edge with a plastic scraper at a low angle. This reduces paint stress. Once the edge is free, reapply solvent to remaining adhesive and let it sit. Repeat cycles improve breakdown without scrubbing. Use a microfiber in circular motion to wipe away residue. This mechanical action breaks the glue's bond after chemical softening. If residue resists, warm gently with a hairdryer to increase solvent effectiveness. Then repeat solvent plus wipe until the surface feels smooth. To finish, remove all solvent traces with an isopropyl wipe. Then apply a mild detailer or wax to restore hydration and gloss. This protects clear coat and hides micro-marring. Polish very lightly only if the surface tolerates it, because aggressive polishing can thin clear coat. If at any point paint softens, bubbling appears, or color changes, immediately stop. Wash with soap and water to neutralize, park in shade, and consult a body shop. That troubleshooting step prevents permanent damage and guides next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.